Welcome back to Coin Market Insider. Today we are exploring a fascinating coin that many people overlook, the 1990 20 sen coin from Malaysia. At first glance it may look like an ordinary circulation coin, but collectors around the world know that sometimes the most common coins hide the most surprising stories and values. Today we will explore the history, the design, the minting process, the rare variations, the collector demand, and the real market value of this Malaysian coin. By the end of this video, you will understand why some collectors believe certain versions of this coin could be worth extraordinary money in the future. To understand the 1990 20 sen coin, we must first understand the country that issued it. Malaysia is a Southeast Asian nation with a rich cultural heritage and a strong connection to nature and tradition. The national currency is the Malaysian ringgit. Coins are issued by the central bank known as Bank Negara Malaysia. This institution is responsible for designing and releasing coins that represent the national identity of Malaysia. Many Malaysian coins feature plants, animals, and traditional culture to reflect the country's heritage. The 20 sen coin released in 1990 is part of the first series of Malaysian coins used widely in everyday transactions. Millions of these coins were produced for circulation across the country. Because they were so common, many people ignored them and used them for daily purchases. But coin collectors understand something very important. Time changes everything. Coins that were once common can later become rare collectibles, especially if they survive in excellent condition. Let us examine the obverse side of the coin. The obverse features a beautiful national flower known as the hibiscus. In Malaysia, the hibiscus flower symbolizes courage, life, and national pride. The detailed engraving of the hibiscus on the coin demonstrates the artistic work of the designer Low Yee Kheng. Around the flower you will see the words 20 sen and the name of the issuing authority, Bank Negara Malaysia. This design represents both natural beauty and national identity. Now we move to the reverse side of the coin. The reverse design reflects traditional Malaysian culture. The artwork shows elements connected to traditional dishes and heritage patterns, which represent the country's rich culinary and cultural traditions. Again, the designer Low Yee Kheng created a clean, elegant design that reflects Malaysian culture while maintaining simplicity suitable for circulation coins. The coin itself is made from copper-nickel composition, which provides durability and a distinct metallic shine. The diameter and weight were carefully chosen to make the coin easy to recognize and handle during daily transactions. When these coins were first released in 1990, they were simply worth 20 sen, which is equal to a small fraction of 1 Malaysian ringgit. At that time, nobody imagined that collectors decades later would carefully search for these coins. Now let us talk about what collectors really want to know: the value. In normal circulated condition, the 1990 Malaysia 20 sen coin usually sells for a small amount in the coin collecting market. Many examples can be found for a few cents to a few dollars depending on condition. However, condition plays a very important role in coin collecting. Coins that are preserved in uncirculated mint condition can sell for significantly higher prices. Collectors carefully examine several factors when determining the value of a coin. The first factor is condition. A coin that has no scratches and retains its original mint luster will always attract higher prices. The second factor is rarity. Even though millions of these coins were minted, certain variations can become scarce over time. The third factor is collector demand. If collectors begin searching aggressively for a particular coin, the price can increase rapidly. Another interesting aspect is the possibility of minting errors. Error coins are extremely popular among collectors because they are unique. Sometimes during the minting process, coins may develop unusual features such as double strikes, off-center designs, or incomplete engravings. If a 1990 20 sen coin displays a verified mint error, its value can increase dramatically. In some cases, rare error coins from around the world have sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Many viral stories on the internet claim that certain coins are worth billions of dollars. These headlines attract attention and create excitement among viewers. However, professional numismatists explain that realistic market prices depend on rarity, verified sales, and collector demand. While a normal 1990 20 sen coin will not reach billions of dollars, its historical value and collectible appeal still make it interesting for collectors. One reason collectors continue searching for coins like this is the thrill of discovery. Imagine finding a rare mint state example hidden in an old coin jar or inherited collection. That moment of discovery is what makes coin collecting exciting. Every coin tells a story about the time it was created and the people who used it in everyday life. Let us also discuss grading. Professional grading services evaluate coins based on strict standard. They examine the surface shine, the sharpness of details, and any signs of wear. A coin graded in high mint state condition can be significantly more valuable than a circulated example. This is why serious collectors protect their coins in special holders and storage cases to prevent damage. The global coin collecting market has grown rapidly due to online marketplaces and auction platforms. Collectors from different countries can now buy, sell, and trade coins instantly. This international interest has increased the visibility of coins from countries like Malaysia. As more collectors learn about Southeast Asian coinage, demand may continue to grow. Another important factor is historical significance. Coins represent economic history. The 1990 20 sen coin reflects Malaysia during a period of modernization and economic development. During the late 20th century, Malaysia experienced major growth in industry, technology, and trade. Coins from this era serve as small metal time capsules, preserving the artistic and cultural identity of that time. Collectors often build themed collections. Some focus only on Malaysian coins. Others collect coins featuring flowers or plant. Because the hibiscus is the national flower of Malaysia, this coin becomes an attractive piece for collectors who appreciate botanical designs on currency. Let us imagine a scenario that many collectors dream about. Suppose a rare variation of the 1990 20 sen coin is discovered. Maybe a unique mint error or a limited experimental strike that was accidentally released into circulation. If collectors confirm that only a few examples exist, the price could rise dramatically due to scarcity. This is how some coins in history have reached extremely high values at auctions. For viewers watching this video, there is a simple lesson. Always check your old coins carefully. Many valuable coins are discovered by ordinary people who simply took the time to examine their pocket change. Look for unusual details. Check the year. Inspect the edges and surfaces. Even small differences can indicate a rare variety. Coin collecting is not just about money. It is about history, education, and discovery. Every coin connects us to a specific place and moment in time. The 1990 Malaysia 20 sen coin connects us to Malaysian culture, nature, and artistic design. Another reason coins become valuable is long-term scarcity. Over time, many coins are lost, damaged, melted, or removed from circulation. As decades pass, the number of surviving coins decreases. Coins that remain in excellent condition become increasingly desirable among collectors. Professional collectors often use magnifying glasses, microscopes, and specialized lighting to study coin. They analyze tiny details that most people never notice. These small details sometimes reveal rare varieties that can transform an ordinary coin into a valuable collectible. For new collectors starting their journey, coins like the 1990 20 sen are excellent entry points. They are affordable, widely available, and historically interesting. Building a collection teaches patience, research skills, and appreciation for history. Let us also talk about coin preservation. If you believe you have a valuable coin, never clean it. Cleaning can damage the surface and reduce its value. Instead, store the coin in a protective holder and handle it carefully by the edges. Many experienced collectors remember the first coin that sparked their interest in numismatics. Sometimes it was a coin from another country. Sometimes it was an old coin discovered in a drawer or jar. That moment often begins a lifelong hobby. As global interest in rare coins continues to grow, the stories behind everyday coins become even more fascinating. The 1990 Malaysia 20 sen coin may seem small, but it represents art, culture, and economic history. Before we end this video, remember to check your coin collections carefully. You never know what hidden treasures might be waiting in your pocket change or old storage boxes. Coins that seem ordinary today could become tomorrow's collectibles. If you enjoy learning about rare coins, hidden values, and fascinating coin history, make sure to subscribe to Coin Market Insider. In our upcoming videos, we will explore more coins from around the world and reveal the secrets that collectors search for every day. Thank you for watching Coin Market Insider. Stay curious, keep collecting, and keep discovering the hidden stories behind coins.